Assalamu alaikum. In this video we're going to show where to pronounce t for the letter T and t. So let's start. If you see T at the beginning of a word, it means a word is beginning with T, then you have to pronounce that T as t sound. So you can say top, tape, temperature, 10. And if you see the letter T after S, then you have to pronounce must. You should pronounce as D, like stand, stop, store, story. So this is a rule, and there's three similar rules for this, for the three aspirated sounds in English, like P, T, K. These sounds are very much known in English, and if you can write correct these three pronunciation, 60% of your pronunciation will be correct. So please get the rule in your head and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.